Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush forest, a group of vibrant frogs embarked on a journey. Their journey was filled with camaraderie and adventure, but fate had a twist in store for them. As they traversed the forest, two of the frogs stumbled upon a deep, daunting pit. It seemed bottomless, swallowing their hopes whole. The other frogs, observing the depth of despair, lamented, "There's no way out, no hope for you." But amidst the echoing cries of despair, the two frogs refused to succumb to the darkness that loomed. With unwavering determination gleaming in their eyes, they resolved to leap towards the light, towards freedom. Despite the discouragement raining down upon them from their fellow frogs above, the duo persisted, each jump fueled by the sheer power of their will. In the face of adversity, one frog, wary from the relentless barrage of doubt, faltered. He surrendered to the despair, his leap plunging him deeper into the abyss. Yet, the other frog, undeterred by the chorus of negativity, continued to push against the constraints of the pit. Each leap was a testament to his unyielding spirit, his resolve unshaken by the doubts that sought to weigh him down. With every jump, he defied the odds, inching closer to the glimmer of hope that beckoned from above. Finally, with a mighty leap, he soared beyond the confines of the pit, basking in the warmth of the sunlight that greeted him. As he stood amidst his fellow frogs once more, they questioned in astonishment, "Did you not hear our cries of despair?" With a gentle smile, he revealed the truth. "I am deaf to the echoes of doubt, for I chose to listen to the melody of hope that whispered within me. In every heart, there lies a spark of resilience, a flame that refuses to be extinguished by the winds of adversity." Let this tale remind us that no matter how dark the pit may seem, the light of perseverance will always guide us home. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." You know that feeling, right? Stuck in a rut, like you're trapped in a deep, dark hole with no way out. Doubts and negativity echo all around, just like those other frogs in the story. Maybe it's a difficult project at school, a challenge you're facing with friends, or even a fear holding you back. But here's the thing. You're not that frog who gave up. You have the same inner strength as the brave frog who kept jumping. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and listen to that voice. What's one small step you can take today to keep jumping, just like the brave frog? It could be anything from starting a study session to saying hello to someone new. Write it down, share it with a friend, or shout it from the rooftops. Remember, every single step, even the tiniest one, matters. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Prove them with your results, not your words. Hope you gain some value from this video. Keep rising.